Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload video on Google Drive. Uploading videos to Google Drive provides a secure and convenient way to store, access and share your video files from anywhere with an internet connection. So let's start the video. To upload video in Google Drive, open drive.google.com in your browser. Just make sure you are logged in. Now click on the new button with plus sign at the top left corner of the screen and select File Upload from the drop-down menu. So click on File Upload. Choose the video file you want to upload from your computer or device. Select it and then click Open to start the upload process. Upload may take some time depending upon the size of your video file and your internet connection speed. You can monitor the progress of the upload in the bottom right corner of the screen. Upload is complete now. This is your newly uploaded video file in Google Drive. So that's how you can upload video on Google Drive. Thanks for watching.